Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the classification based on functional groups from Unit 11 Fundamental of Organic Chemistry. Okay, let us see that one. So classification based on functional groups. So here I take 3, that is alkane, alkene, alkyne. So alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkene CnH2n and alkyne CnH2n minus 2. So here this is represent single bond, this one represent double bond, this one represent triple bond. So this is saturator, these two are unsaturated. And next one alkyl halide. So alkyl halide means that is alkyl represent R, halide represent X. So Rx is the general formula. So what is alkyl halide? What is present here? So in X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are X, so that is the functional group. And next one alcohol. So alcohol functional group is OH. The formula for alcohol is ROH. So that R represent alkyl groups. And next one is ether. So ether represent bond, no bond. So this is the functional group of ether. The formula for ether is R, O, R dash. So this is ether formula. And next one is aldehyde. That is CH double bond O. So this is the functional group of aldehyde. The formula for aldehyde is RCHO. So CHO present means that is aldehyde functional group. And next one is ketone. So ketone is C double bond O. So carbon double bond O, bond bond. So you know that carbon valency is 4. So around the carbon 4 bond is present. So oxygen valency is 2. So around the oxygen 2 bond is present. Hydrogen valency is 1. So around the hydrogen only 1 bond is present. So ketone formula is RCO R dash. So this is the ketone formula. And next one is carboxylic acid. The formula for carboxylic acid is C double bond O, OH. So this is the carboxylic acid formula. So how to write the general formula? R C O O H. So this is carboxylic acid formula. And next one is ester. So ester represent bond C double bond O. So here C double bond O. So here OR is present mean. So that is ester. So here R C O R dash. So this is formula for ester. And next one is acid anhydride. The formula for acid anhydride is C double bond O. And next one again bond, because oxygen valency is 2, carbon valency is 2. C double bond O bond. So this is the functional group of acid anhydride. So what is the formula for acid anhydride? RCO OCO R dash. So how to write? R bond. This CO bond O bond CO bond R dash. So this is the formula for acid anhydride. And next one acyl halide. Acyl halide formula bond C double bond O X. So this is the functional group of acyl halide. So what is the formula for acyl halide? R bond COX. So this is the formula for acyl halide. And next one, sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid functional group is SO3H. So we have taken this one from sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid means that is H2SO4. Sulfonic acid means SO3H. So this is a functional group. So how to write the general formula for sulfonic acid? R bond SO3H. So this is sulfonic acid. And next one, nitroalkane. So here nitro functional group. So nitro means NO2. So this is nitro. So what is the formula? R NO2. And next one is amine. So amine is NH2. So this is amine functional group. And formula for amine is R NH2. Okay. So this is acid anhydride functional group. This is acyl halide. This one is sulfonic acid. This one is nitroalkane. This one is amine. And next one is amide. C double bond O NH2. So this is amide. So how to write the formula? Functional group of formula. So R CO NH. So this is the formula for amide. And next one, cyanide. So cyanide means that is nitrile. So how to write the functional group? So carbon and N. So that is cyanide or nitrile. Nitrogen valency 3. So here triple bond. Carbon valency 4. So here bond. So this is cyanide or nitrile. So the formula for this one is R CN. And then next one, isocyanate. So isomer formula. So how to write the functional group? This is CN mean isocyanate mean that is NC. So here NC. So this is isocyanate. So how to write this one? R NC. And next one is cyanate. So cyanate means OCN. So that is cyanate. The formula for cyanate is ROCN. This is cyanate formula. And next one, isocyanate. So isocyanate means NCO. So bond NCO. So isomer formula for cyanate. So that is NCO. So how to write the next one? R NCO. So this is cyanate, isocyanate. And next one, thiocyanate. So thiocyanate represent bond SCN. So this is thiocyanate. What is the formula for thiocyanate? RSCN. So this is the formula for thiocyanate. Next one, isothiocyanate. So isothiocyanate means bond NCS. Bond N isomer formula. So you write like this. So formula R N C S. And then next one, thioalcohols are thiols. So that is SH. So what is the general formula? So general formula is RSH. And next one, thioethers. Thioethers means S bond R. So this is thioethers. So what is the formula? R S R dash. So this is the general formula for thioethers. And next one, imines. So imines represent double bond in H. So formula RCH double bond in H. So that is imines. So that's all for classification based on functional groups. Thank you, students.